There's sayings by the previous Lubavitcher Rebbe, Rebbe Yosef Yitzchak. In the early period of his leadership, the first Rebbe of Chabad taught, it says, man's footsteps are directed by God. Mehashem mitzadei gaver, konanu, says, from God are the steps, the paths of man are directed. What does it mean? That really wherever you go, it's not arbitrary. When a Jew comes to a particular place, it's never by accident. You missed your bus, something happened, you're stuck in a terminal somewhere. When a Jew comes to a particular place, it's always, you have to say, why did God put me here? It's always for an inner godly purpose to do a commandment, whether it's a commandment between yourself and God, or maybe to do a good favor for another person. A Jew is God's messenger. Wherever a messenger may be, emissary, every Jew is an emissary, a representative of God. Wherever the representative is, as he has the power of the one who he is representing, the one who sent him. So therefore, you're not on your own. You are a representative of God, and who knows what God wants? That's what the Rebbe is. A superior quality that the soul possesses, which is higher than the angels, is that souls are messengers of the Torah. The angels just act naturally. The angels don't go against their nature. They do what they do naturally. And a Jew, though, he does very often unnaturally, against his nature, what it says in the Torah. And one of the things it says in the Torah is love your neighbor as yourself. Wherever you are, do a favor for another Jew especially, and if not, then just for another person. And if there's no one around, at least think good thoughts. But wherever you are, you're there to improve the situation. Usually when a person gets in a bad situation, he's cursing and he's miserable. Why does this happen to me? And why did I get such a thing? What, I don't deserve this, and etc. and etc. Instead, what you should do is say, well, it happened to me because God wants me to be here and he wants me to do something good. But this place must be lacking a blessing. It must be lacking a good word, a good thought, a good deed. In order to improve the situation wherever you are. Think positively, speak positively, and act positively.